Hi, I'm Єлизавета. I work as a data scientist at Estonian unicorn Taxify. Taxify is a ride-hailing platform, and our goal is to provide best experience for millions of our riders and drivers. To accomplish it, as a data scientist, we run different experiments. It can be introducing new product feature, marketing campaigns, or new machine learning models. In a nutshell, we run A/B tests and evaluate results, comparing effect between control and treatment group. The most common practice in data science to use t-tests and look at p-values, but it cannot be used at any time. What if your experiment has no fixed horizon, or your evaluation metric has no traditional numeric, like a number of trips, but a proportional type, like a finish-trip ratio? In my presentation, I will talk what you can do in these non-trivial cases. I will explain causal inference tests, multi-arm bandit-based experiments, to name a few. Also, I will show most frequent pitfalls in data science experiment and guidelines how to avoid them. Come and learn more. It will be cool. See you in Kyiv.